Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to take some properties of differentiation. So, the first property, sum and difference of two or more functions. So how will you find out the derivative of a function which is a sum or a difference of two functions? Say if a function fx is equal to a sum or a difference of two functions. Or it may be more than two functions, but let's take two functions at a time. So in order to find out the differential of any function f, this is another notation for differentiation of this function fx. It is f with a slash x, which is equal to g slash x plus minus h x. Okay. Let's take an example. Let's say fx is equal to 4x squared plus 1. So what is the differential of x? This is nothing but dy by dx. This is dy by dx can be written in this form also. Okay. So we have here 4x squared. That means this is x squared. So this has to be multiplied by 2, so it will be 8x, and the power has to be decreased by 1. So it is x to the power 1. So you can write 8x. Now, since 1 is nothing but x to the power 0, so, and this is a constant, so differential of a constant is 0. So the answer is 8x. Okay. Let's take another example. Fx is equal to 2x cubed plus root of x. So again we find this is a sum of two functions. So we can easily find out f dash x will be nothing but, we can write it like this also, ddx of this the first function plus ddx of the second function. Root of x means it is x to the power half. So what is the differential of 2x cubed? It is 3 into 2, that is 6x, decrease the power by 2, so it is 6x squared. What is the differential of x to the power half? It is half of x to the power half minus 1. Half minus 1, which is the same as 6x squared now plus half x to the power minus half. So we can write this as 6x squared plus 1 upon square root of 2 root x. Okay. Let's take another example. Fx is equal to x plus 1 upon x. We can write this as x plus x to the power minus 1. So since this is 1, we can write f dash x as 1. This is the 1, so it will be 1 multiplied by x to the power 1 minus 1 is 0, 0. So x to the power 0 is 1. So this will be, answer is 1. And this is minus 1. So minus 1 multiplied by plus is minus here. And this will be x to the power minus 1, that is minus 2. This we can write as 1 minus 1 upon x squared. Okay. Let's take another example. Fx is equal to x squared plus 6x to the power 1 by 3 minus 3. Now you see this is a sum of two functions and a difference of one function. So it is a sum or a difference of more than two functions. The process is the same. Differential of fx is f slash x, which is x squared. Now you can easily see that this is 2x to the power 2 minus 1 is 1. Now this is 1 by 3 multiplied by 6, and 3 will cancel with this, is we can write as 1 by 3 multiplied by 6 multiplied by x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay, and since this is a constant, differential of a constant is 0. So this is 2x, this will go into this is 2, so it is 2x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1, as you know, is minus 2 by 3. Okay, so we can write this as 2x plus 2 upon x to the power 2 by 3. Okay. Okay, let's take another example. Fx is equal to 2 by root of x plus 3 by x squared minus 1. Okay. First of all, we have to rearrange the terms to write it in the proper form, which is of the form ax to the power n. Since this is not of the form ax to the power n, we can write this as 2x. This is x to the power half. It will go to the numerator x to the power minus half. Similarly, this will be 3, and since this is x squared, it will go to the numerator x to the power minus 2 minus 1. Now we can easily find out the differentiation of this sum of two or more functions. So this is 2x to the power minus half. So the power is minus half. So it will be minus half multiplied by 2 multiplied by x to the power minus half minus 1. And the second expression 3x, so minus 2, sorry, we forgot to multiply by minus 2. So this will be minus 2 multiplied by x to the power minus 2 minus 1, and lastly number 3, and this is 0. Okay, the constant is 0. So this and this cancels, so it is minus x to the power minus 3 by 2. So this becomes minus and this becomes minus, and 2 multiplied by 3 becomes 6. So this is x to the power minus 3. So we can write this in a, this goes to the denominator, 1 upon x to the power 3 by 2 minus 6 by x cube. We can also again rewrite this expression as minus 1 upon square root, since this is 2, square root of x cubed minus 6 by x cubed. Okay, this is all for today's lecture. Meet you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.